Hi guys, we will learn 5 advanced regular verbs in this lesson. First one is to abduct. To abduct means to kidnap someone. For example, he abducted her. Second one is to abhor. To abhor means to hate someone. For example, I abhor you. Third one is to abandon. To abandon means to leave something, someone, or place. For example, I abandoned this city, or I abandoned you, or I abandoned her, or uh, she abandoned him. Fourth one is to abolish. To abolish means to cancel or to dissolve. For example, I abolished this meeting. Last one is to accomplish. To accomplish means to complete successfully. For example, if we do it together, we will accomplish it successfully.